Judson and Hunter and Carrie and Elise and Sarah. It's Wednesday morning and it's time for math, lesson 2, page 6. Can y'all believe we're doing this again? I'm proud of you all for your flexibility and for doing maybe what you don't want to do. So we are ready for lesson 2. Have your pencils down and be ready to listen. We're multiplying 3 fractions in this lesson. Now normally, before we learned how to multiply 2 fractions, and then we normally cancel, and then we multiply. But actually in this lesson, we're adding one more fraction to multiply. And it's actually very easy. What if you remember that any numerator can be canceled with any denominator? Let me show you what I mean. So we have 4 and we have 8. 4 can go into both, so I'm going to cancel out. Now we have 5 and 10. 5 can go into both, so we're going to divide both by 5. Now looking at our numerators and our denominators, we cannot cancel anymore. So multiplying, you start from the left. You don't have to start from the left, but it's easy to remember. Start from the left and start multiplying. Only the numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That's our numerator. We have 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. It's already in simplified form. That is our answer. Now pick up your pencils. We're going to do 1a. 2/3 times 7/10 times 3/5. Look at our numerators, look at our denominators. Where can we cancel? Well, I'm seeing we can cancel 3 and 3. I also see that we have 2 and we have 10. So 2 can go into both, so we're going to cancel there. Now if you look at your numerators and your denominators, we cannot cancel anymore. So let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. That's our numerator. Now we have 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So our correct answer for 1a should be 7 over 25. Now, since we canceled all we could in our fractions, we know that this is in the most simplest form. All right, let's go to 2a, just right below that. Notice how we have a whole number, how we have a mixed number, and a whole number. Now, before you start canceling like we did up here, we need to change our fractions to improper fractions. So drop it down, 5/8, you can't change that, times, you can change 2 and 2 7. So we're going to do 7 times 2 plus 2 would be 16 over 7, times, now 7 would be 7 over 1. Make sure you change it to improper fractions. Now since we did that, we are ready to cancel. Look at your numerators and your denominators. I'm seeing 7 and 7 can be canceled. I'm seeing 8 and 16 can be canceled. And I'm thinking that is all that can be canceled. So let's multiply our numerators. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. That's our numerator. Now we have 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That is an improper fraction. 10 over 1 equals what? Equals 10. So our answer is 10. Do the rest by yourself, and if you have any questions, text me. Great job.